Motivation is a key factor in achieving success, but it can be difficult to maintain over time. One way to stay motivated is to identify and utilize your strengths. By understanding what you are good at and leveraging those skills, you can increase your confidence, productivity, and overall sense of fulfillment. In this presentation, we will explore how to use your strengths to stay motivated, including strategies for identifying your strengths, setting goals that align with your strengths, and overcoming common obstacles that may arise along the way. The first step in using your strengths to stay motivated is to identify what they are. This can be done through self-reflection, feedback from others, or formal assessments such as the CliftonStrengths assessment. Once you have identified your strengths, it is important to understand how they can be applied in different areas of your life. For example, if one of your strengths is communication, you may be able to use this skill in your personal relationships, professional endeavors, or community involvement. After identifying your strengths, the next step is to set goals that align with them. This means selecting activities, projects, or pursuits that allow you to use your strengths to the fullest extent possible. When setting these goals, it is important to ensure that they are challenging but achievable, and that they align with your overall vision for your life. By setting goals that utilize your strengths, you will be more motivated to work towards them and more likely to achieve them. Even when you are using your strengths to stay motivated, there will inevitably be obstacles that arise. These may include setbacks, failures, or unexpected challenges. To overcome these obstacles, it is important to maintain a growth mindset and focus on the lessons that can be learned from difficult experiences. Additionally, seeking support from others and maintaining a positive attitude can help you stay motivated even during tough times. While it is important to use your strengths to stay motivated, it is also important to acknowledge and address your weaknesses. This means being honest with yourself about areas where you may struggle or need improvement. By balancing your strengths and weaknesses, you can create a more well-rounded approach to achieving your goals. This may involve seeking out training or development opportunities, collaborating with others who have complementary skills, or simply being mindful of areas where you may need to put in extra effort. In conclusion, using your strengths to stay motivated can be a powerful tool for achieving success and fulfillment in your life. By identifying your strengths, setting goals that align with them, overcoming obstacles, and balancing your strengths and weaknesses, you can create a more intentional and purposeful approach to your life. Remember that motivation is not something that can be achieved once and then forgotten. It requires ongoing effort and attention. However, by utilizing your strengths and staying focused on your goals, you can cultivate a sense of purpose and satisfaction that will keep you motivated for the long haul. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We will catch you on the next one.